Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel an Amazon order before shipping, fast method step by step clearly. Open the Amazon app or go to amazon.com on your browser and make sure you are signed in. Click or tap accounts and lists, then select your orders to see your recent purchases. Find the exact order you want to cancel and open it by clicking the order details. Check the order status and confirm it says not yet shipped, preparing for shipment, or something similar. If you see a Cancel Items button, tap it immediately because timing matters. If you do not see Cancel Items, refresh the page once and check again. Click Cancel Items to open the cancellation screen for that order. Choose the specific item or items you want to cancel if the order contains multiple products. Select a cancellation reason from the drop-down, such as ordered by mistake or found a better price. Double-check that the correct item quantities are selected for cancellation. Click Cancel Checked Items to submit the request. Wait for the confirmation message on screen that says your cancellation has been requested or confirmed. Go back to your orders and verify the order now shows canceled or cancel requested. If it shows cancel requested, give it a few minutes and refresh to see the final status. If the order already moved to shipped, understand that direct cancellation is no longer available. If it is shipped, click the order and choose Return or Replace Items instead of canceling. For fast help, open the order and click Get Help or Problem with Order if you see that option. Alternatively, scroll down and choose Contact Seller if it is a marketplace seller order. If the order is sold by Amazon, use Customer Service Chat for the quickest response. Open the Help section and select something else, then choose Order Issues, then Cancel Order. In chat, provide the order number and clearly say you want to cancel before delivery if possible. If chat cannot cancel it, ask them to mark it as a refusal or start a return as soon as it arrives. If you used a gift card or promotional credit, note that refunds may return as Amazon balance. If you used a credit or debit card, refunds usually go back to the same payment method. Check your email for an Amazon cancellation confirmation to make sure it is processed. If you do not receive an email, recheck your orders and look for the updated status. For future speed, enable order notifications so you can cancel immediately if you change your mind. Always act quickly because some items move to shipping within minutes after purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.